My family and I traveled from California to Ohio to purchase my childhood home. Join us on our family adventures as we renovate this 1960s bungalow into our family home.
What up, y'all? It's Roll back with another video. You know what it is. Boy driving. Got the wife here. Say hey, babe. Alright, yeah, we just got out from church. We got Zuzu in the back. Zuzu! Zada Zoo! She's sleeping. Alright, perfect. Excelente. But we about to go on the lake today, because that's what we're close to. That's the good thing about being in Cleveland. You get a lake that's close, get almost the same feeling as an ocean. It's pretty much the same feeling. You wouldn't really tell the difference. You couldn't really tell the difference other than the waves if you're a surfer or something like that. But
and the color,
yeah, the color is a big difference. Okay,
it's a little greenish.
It's a little greenish, a little dirty. It ain't my fault. It's the fault of the world and the pollution that comes with it. Well, hopefully these videos are entertaining, educating, at the end of the day, positive. Positive videos. So, yeah. I guess I'll just check in with you guys when we get to the lake situation. All right, y'all. Look at you. You out here. Shut up and fish. That's what my hat says. You see that? Yeah. So, guys, today is just a chill day. No work gonna be done. None whatsoever gonna be done today. So I'm just chilling with the fam and we just relaxing. That's what I'm trying to do for today, and then get back at it tomorrow. I'm gonna get back at it tomorrow. It's a process, y'all. It's a process. I can see the vision of what this house is gonna look like. Even with nothing in it, it's going to look fire. Just at the end of the day, the house is gonna look fire, because I know there's because it's blood, sweat, and tears that's being put into here, aka my blood, my sweat, my tears being put into this house. And then also, my wife is coming through, helping out here and there. Blood, sweat, and tears in a situation. And then Zuzu, she might pick up a hammer or a nail and try to put it in her mouth, and then I'll smack it out. But yeah. So I'll check in with y'all later. All right. Oh, they already at the boat. Let's go. Come on, babe. Hold hands. Oh.
Don't play.
Oh, okay. Look at you.
That baby. Baby's not loud.
Oh, really? That's the best part. All right, Zada. I'm about to take you out.
Where's your life jacket?
Oh, no.
Oh no, your hat.
You get it? I get it. Okay.
Trying to put glue onto me.
Shall I lay like this?
No.
Got the whole fam here, ready to go on the boat. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? was your experience?
It was amazing.
Amazing.
I was just so relaxing. The water just smells good and fresh.
Yeah.
The air feels nice. The sun was beaming down.
Yeah, it was.
You see the water splashing all around.
Oh yeah.
Zuzu laying on me,
Zuzu.
holding all tight.
Zuzu, how was your experience? How was your experience?
Did you enjoy, baby?
You enjoy it? She
You had
like,
a
I'm
good
tired,
time?
y'all. Today has been a productive day. And got so much to do. So much relaxation done today. Put that up there. So much relaxation. Appreciate it a lot. It's good sometimes so you can just like breathe. Like, despite doing so much work, despite doing a lot of different things, that you can just sit down and like literally breathe. Just to be real, because you're not always, I mean, it's not like that all the time, just to be real. You know, sometimes the society is like work. And at the end of the day, it's not all about work. It's about also having experiences with your family, experiences with your friends, an experience that will last a lifetime. You know, that you will always remember and be appreciative of. Taking this break right now is helpful for me to just realize that I need to appreciate family, as my wife is in the back looking at me and smiling, my little Zuzu over there, and I just appreciate life a little bit more. So yeah. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being a part of this journey. And yeah, I really appreciate it. So if you guys are about that black love, parenthood, fatherhood, motherhood, and all around positivity, then make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell and comment in the comment section. And yeah, until next time guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.